Which goat milking machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Hontop Rechargeable Pulsation Pump Milker. Let's kick things off with the Hontop Rechargeable Pulsation Pump Milker. At $179.99, it caught my attention for its promise to save time and effort on small farms. If you want to reduce your milking time by up to 50%, this is worth a serious look. So, why is this product a game changer? It's designed specifically for dairy goats, and the pulsation system operates at 40 cycles per minute, which means it mimics the natural nursing rhythm. This is huge because it not only speeds up the milking process, but also keeps your goats comfortable and reduces stress on their teats. The 6L stainless steel bucket is made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, making it durable and easy to clean. Plus, it's portable thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery, which allows for multiple milking sessions without the hassle of cords. Now, there's a downside. Some users mentioned that could be a bit noisy during operation, which might spook some goats. But here's the thing. If you're milking in a quiet barn, you might notice it more, but the efficiency it brings usually offsets this. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, portable milking machine for your small farm. Skip this one if you prefer something quieter and less expensive. For the features you get, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the noise factor is a concern for you, the next one on my list offers a quieter solution. Product number 2. Hontop Plug-in Pulsation Pump Milker. Next up, we have the Hontop Plug-in Pulsation Pump Milker, priced at $143.99. This model also grabbed my attention with its promise of efficiency. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this is a contender. The pulsation cycle here runs at 43 to 46 times per minute, which means it saves you time and labor just like the previous model. It uses a reinforced pulsation system that mimics natural milking techniques, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience for your goats. The aluminum alloy casing helps with heat dissipation, making this machine durable. And installation? You can set it up in under 15 seconds, making it super user-friendly. However, some reviews pointed out that it could be a bit bulky to move around. But honestly, if you're milking a herd and you leave it in one spot, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, easy-to-use milking machine without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something highly portable. For the price and ease of use, it's a great buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something lightweight and still effective. Product number 3. Hontop Plug-in Vacuum Pump Goat Milker. Now let's talk about the Hontop Plug-in Vacuum Pump Goat Milker, priced at $94.33. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, and honestly, it surprised me with its performance. If you want an affordable solution that still gets the job done, this one might be your go-to. This model has a pulsation system that works effectively to maintain normal blood flow, which is so crucial for your goat's health. It's lightweight and portable, which means you can easily move it around your farm. Plus, the setup takes just about 15 seconds, and it comes with cleaning brushes to make maintenance a breeze. With a 4.5-star rating from 42 reviews, it's clearly made an impression on its users. But it's not all perfect. A few users mentioned that the capacity is relatively smaller at 3L, so if you have a larger herd, you might find yourself refilling it often. But if you're milking just a few goats, it's honestly not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want something functional. Skip this if you have a larger farm that requires more capacity. For the price, it's hard to beat. Next up is a slightly larger option that promises even more efficiency for those who need it. Product number 4. Pomunula Adjustable Pulsation Electric Milker. Next, let's look at the Pomunula Adjustable Pulsation Electric Milker for $85.99. This is a surprisingly affordable option that caught my eye for its adjustable features. If you want something adaptable without spending a fortune, this is worth considering. The milking speed is claimed to be 3 times faster than traditional methods, which is a big plus if you're short on time. It features adjustable pulsation that imitates the natural suckling of lambs, which helps prevent any bruising or bleeding. The 5L stainless steel bucket is easy to carry and clean, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced milkers. However, some users did report that it could be a bit tricky to get the right suction level, which might take a bit of practice. But I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, it's a great machine that saves you a lot of time. This is perfect for you if you want an adjustable and efficient milking experience. Skip this one if you're looking for something that runs perfectly out of the box without any fine-tuning. For its price, it delivers excellent value for those needing flexibility. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 5, VeverGoat Milking Machine. Finally, let's wrap up with the VeverGoat Milking Machine, priced at $110.90. This one is designed for portability with its rechargeable lithium battery. If you want a cordless option that still offers reliability, this could be just what you need. The 5,200 milliamp hours battery means you can milk anywhere without needing a power outlet, which is fantastic for those who have goats in more remote areas of their property. The biomimetic pulsation system mimics the natural suckling rhythm, making it gentle on your goats. Additionally, its vacuum range is adjustable to suit different milking stages, which is a thoughtful touch. Some users did mention that it only works well for goats and not for cows. So if you're mixing livestock, keep that in mind. But honestly, if you're only milking goats, this shouldn't be a concern. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, efficient milking machine. Skip this if you have mixed livestock needs. Considering its features, it's a solid investment for goat owners. In conclusion, we've seen a variety of options from budget-friendly to highly efficient machines, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. In summary, the Hontop rechargeable and plug-in models are great for their efficiency and comfort, while the Hontop plug-in vacuum is perfect for those on a budget. Pumula offers adjustable features at an affordable price, and the Vever stands out for its portability. Each has its pros and cons, so pick the one that best fits your milking needs.